Now, let's continue with the sound effects. But before we do that, I want you to go into the I see what you're doing. You can worry about that after class because we got like 11 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, we got about 11 minutes. So, all right, you're gonna continue with the sound effects after class, but right now, what I want you to do is for that first initial hit, I want a filter. Let's find a filter that'll fit right there.
Oh, like effect.
An effect.
Okay.